Jaskaran Singh. My age is 13 and I am from Learning Path School, Punjab. So the name of our project is Gutrack. So here is my problem statement. So in towns of India, the blockage of sewage is common, and yearly there are 7,94,000 cases of manual scavenging across India. Although manual scavenging is banned in India from 1993, but it is still happening because of the hefty price of electronic pumps that are used to clear the blockage. So, what is Gutrack? Gutrack is a machine that can clean the blockage automatically without the need of an operator. It runs on artificial intelligence that helps it to clean the blockage in the sewage. It works on electricity and gets charged by a solar panel. It is an eco-friendly machine that helps us keep the environment clean and non-polluted. So, how does the machine work? So first there will be a robotic hand which will come out of the body of the robot, and this robotic hand will have 3 blades at the bottom of it which will convert the sludge, basically the blockage in the sewage, into liquid form. And you will also insert a powerful vacuum in the machine that will suck all the liquid from the sewage. Once it is fully charged, it will work approximately for 6 to 7 hours. So here is the diagram for Gutrack. So this is the upper part of the machine, and this is the lower part of the machine. So here, as we can see, there's a robotic hand and it has a motor and blades at the end of it, and here's the sludge, basically the blockage that has blocked the water from going through. And we have a cage here for protection for the air hydraulics. So what will be the features of our machine? So it will have 4 shockers, 1 shocker on each wheel, that will help it run on off-road surfaces. It will have a monitor system which will show the sewage with the help of camera on the robotic hand. The body of the robot would be made up of carbon fiber, which is basically strong and light. The wires and the circuits of the robot will be sealed properly to avoid water getting into circuits. From opening the cover of sewage to closing the cover, it will do all things itself. So here is the business plan for Gutrack. Now the business plan for Gutrack is a BC plan, which means business to customer plan. So here is how it works. So first there will be manufacturing. So Gutrack will be manufactured in our factories, and after getting tested several times, they will move further. Next we have shipping. So after getting tested and certified, Gutrack will be ready to be shipped and sent to our various outlets in India. And after that we have selling. So Gutrack will be sold/rented through our outlets, and it also can be purchased through our website. Advantages of a machine. So first of all, Gutrack saves manual labor. It is user friendly and causes less hassle to the user. The strong motor breaks down the sludge and converts it to semi-solid form. It is also very cheap compared to other machines. We also have our own website for selling and renting a machine to private companies.
Now we would like to show the website of Gutrack. So this is the official website of Gutrack, which consists of all the information about our project and the site. So this is the project mission. It tells about our mission and vision, and then what does Gutrack do, it is there, and then how does the machine work, it tells the process and also some of its salient features. Then this is the diagram of it. It is the main, how it will look from outside, and then this is the inside one. This will spin and then it will clean the blockage, and hence it will save many lives. Now if you want to place an order for it, you can directly do it by Gmail, or you can just fill out this Google form and then we will contact you according to the availability in your area. This is the form. So it is asking some general questions, name, address, and like this. And if you face any problem or you have any query about this project, you can again simply ask it by filling a Google form or do it by mail. So this is the FNQ form where you can place your query.
So here is the AI demonstration of Gutrack. So here is the AI for Gutrack. Now I have programmed this AI using Python. So Python is a programming language that is basically used for AI and chatbots. So I'm just going to run this file and show you how the AI in Gutrack will work. So here is the basic information about the software, and here we have some basic commands to the user. So first of all, we have a start command that starts the process of cleaning, and then we have a start camera, and this command will only start the camera. So this command is for testing the camera. So now it says press enter to speak. So if I press enter to speak, it will display speak, and at that time the microphone will be listening. So after pressing enter, we can speak our command into the microphone. Start camera.
Press Q to stop.
So as you can see, we have a window which name is Gutrack cam, and here is the sewage. So this is the sewage of my prototype, and the camera is installed inside the prototype, and it also tells us to press Q to stop. So if I want to stop the camera, I'm just going to press Q on my keyboard. So here is the prototype of Gutrack. So as you can see, we have a remote control here to control our prototype. So basically it's a remote control prototype, and here we have a solar panel that charges the battery using sunlight, and this is the circuit of the prototype. So we have a switch right here that turns on a light here that will help the user to see inside the sewage. And we also have a switch back here. So if we turn it on, so our headlights will turn on with that switch. And at the back we have just another switch. So if we turn this one on, the module inside will turn on. And now we are going to turn on our remote. So here we have the remote. Now this is connected to the module inside automatically. So now if I turn this stick down, our shaft starts going down inside the sewage. So now as you can see, our shaft is fully down inside this sewage system. So now if I turn this stick down, the blades inside starts moving. So here you can see the inside view of the sewage. So now if I turn the blades on, it moves like this. And then when the work is done, we can just simply use this stick and push it upwards to bring our shaft back up. So now as you can see, our shaft is fully up. So this was all about the prototype of Gutrack. Thank you.